after.
Hey guys, it's Michaela and thanks for watching my video. I haven't done like a one-to-one video in a long time, so I thought I'd make this video because I'm like working for Dyson right now and they gave me like Dyson Airwrap. I'm gonna teach it to my little sister who's right here. This is my sister Mira. She just actually came back from her first day of school. How was it?
It was okay.
What do you do?
Orientation and then schedule pickup.
That's pretty much it? Yeah, and then she came here and I was like, let's film a video, so she came. Okay, my brother's playing music in the background. Okay, let me just tell him I'm filming a video, hold up. Okay, he lowered the music. Anywho, so I'm just gonna show you the Airwrap. Okay, my phone, do you see that though? This is what it is. So this retails for $6.99, the complete set. There's two other sets, one called Volume and Shape and one Smooth and Control. This is the Volume and Shape set. It comes with the 2 barrels, the 1 barrel, sorry, my bad. And then this with the bristles, this brush, and then this one for the blowout brush. And then, okay, sorry, my sister's just there. The other set comes with all of the barrels, so the 30 and the 40 And then it comes with this one, which is another brush but without the... This is more for coarser, thicker hair. And then this comes with the blow dryer too. So I'm gonna teach my little sister how to use the Airwrap. She never curled her hair before, so this is her first time ever even curling her hair. And it's the Dyson, so it's gonna be interesting. So let's get into it. Bigger curls or thinner curls? So this one, the 30 and this one. I recommend this one. The 30 it just like stays on longer. If you see these arrows here, it means like which way your hair wants to part. So based on the arrows, this way is gonna go that way, this one's gonna go that way. I'm gonna start this hair, so this I'm gonna use this one on you. So all you do is clip it on. This is the power. This is the bottom. This is the cold shot. So you can either cold shot there. Like there's 1, 2, and 3, but then I just put it all the way up. I'm gonna part her hair first. She has thick hair like mine, so it might take a bit longer. So I always get like a little piece first. I like doing a little section just because your hair gets more volume when you do little sections. You want to see a mirror? Okay, I'll get a mirror for you. A little Sephora mirror for you. Here, you can check it out. Is it too small?
No, it's good.
Okay. So what it does, instead of like a traditional curler, it just wraps it for you. So look. And just push it in. I do around like 20 seconds, and then you cold shot it, you press it up, or you push down the buttons. You turn it off first, and then you put it down.
Oh my gosh! Wow, it's so pretty. I feel like I'm in like a child pageant.
I know, right?
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah. And it's like in a kind of...
So I'm gonna just do more, just because it's so much fun to do. Do you want to do your whole hair?
Yes, please.
Oh shoot. You're looking cute. Okay, anyways, I'll be doing a little bit more, but then you're gonna try to do it. Oh shoot! As you can see, here's her hair, and then here's the Dyson here. What were you saying about the switch again?
I was just saying that it's so bougie that you have to switch it. But I mean, like, it's pretty cool, but still, like, that's pretty bougie.
Here's the finishing touches for her first layer. You wanna check the mirror? Here, check the mirror.
Wow. Wow.
Put your hair in the front.
Oh my gosh.
It's cute.
My gosh.
This is even cute too, like putting your hair in a bun, like just doing that.
Wow. It's really cute actually. Yeah, I think they're like really cute. They look natural. And I don't know.
With the accent though. So you learned a little bit of how I did it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The cold shot, you just put it up for like 5 seconds?
Yeah, 5 seconds. So cold shot is this, push it up, and then this, you push it down, or this.
Oh my goodness.
A cold shot, but this is easier.
I just did that.
Yeah,
I just
do
did
that.
that.
It's easier. So get a little piece of here.
Like this?
Like this big, all the time.
Which one?
That big.
This big?
Yeah.
And then
And
put this here.
nope, you turn it on.
Put this here.
Nope, turn on. And then you hold this, hold here, right here, and then put it on the last on the end.
Here.
Yeah, on the end. So it sucks it.
Okay.
Let go. Oh, let's do it again. Here, do it again. Pinch it.
Okay.
Let it suck it. Hold it. Don't pull away from it.
Oh.
And then push it in.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, get in your whole hair. I thought this was gonna be easy.
I thought this was easy.
Oh,
Wait.
hurry up,
Stop rushing.
girl.
I'm having a moment. Oh my gosh. I'm
You're
like,
making me stress.
this is my first time.
Okay, anyways. Hold it.
Oh, here I forgot.
Pinch it. Okay, let it suck where it has to.
Oh,
Make sure
Ah!
it doesn't get the other hair. It's gonna suck the other hair too.
it's hot.
But how many seconds do you have
Okay.
to
20. 20!
do it? Okay.
Okay.
That was a 20.
That was 20.
Okay, then push it up. You see the button?
up.
Up. Press the button up. Push it up.
Ah, it's up.
Push it up.
Ah!
But why are you screaming?
It's hot.
Okay, put it down. Put it down.
It's down.
Okay, now push it down like this, gently.
Ah!
Yeah.
What happened?
You got one.
Is this how it's supposed to look?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
After you're done that, you push
That's
this
good.
aside,
Okay.
and then you move on to the next layer.
Okay.
Girl, I'm like stressed for you. Okay, anyways, let's see. Without me helping.
Alright, I got it, man.
You got it now? Latch it on.
Yes.
Let go of your hand. Push it in. Okay, make sure it doesn't suck your other hair. Looks like it. Why do you look stressed?
Let me just... It's not latching. Latch on.
Okay, you can't. It's not some techie thing that you talk to.
Okay.
Ooh, getting better, I see.
Thank you.
Oh, you're doing it so
cautious.
slow.
Oh my gosh! Wow, it's like a little curl. Little tiny baby.
And then after you do that, what do you do after?
You move your hair.
No, you have to hairspray. Always have to hairspray. After you curl, so the locks will stay in. Okay, that's good, that's good. Shake it a bit. But you can put your hair on the other side now.
Okay. I like your curls, but anyways.
Okay, you're practicing.
Oh wait, this side.
Practicing, girl.
No. Practice me perfect.
Okay, we'll get...
I'm gonna start with the front. Because
It's better to start in the back.
okay.
But you can do you. Let's see how it turns out.
Fine, I'll do me. No, just kidding.
Yeah, do you, girl. You good?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now I'm nervous. Now I don't know if I can do hair.
Oh my god.
Okay. make it into a...
What?
You know that, like that movie that we watched?
Which one?
It can happen to you. I'm gonna try to copy the Muriel's hair.
Oh, and put it in the bun?
Yeah, put it in a scrunchie.
Okay, let's see.
I mean, I'm proud that it's my first time doing my hair.
I think you did this side better.
Yeah. I don't know which one you just did.
This side.
Oh, okay.
This one is a bit, the curls a little bit. Just like a little, not as much.
Yeah. This one I did more.
Let's see in the front again. And the finishing touch. Oh wow. That's cute.
I mean, I definitely, this one. Which one did you say? This one's less curly?
No, that's more curly.
Oh, yeah. I mean, this one I did big chunks. This one was like smaller chunks. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah, but they're good. They're both good.
They're like a different hairstyle for each person.
Yeah. Would you do this every morning to school?
Maybe if I could do it in like 10 minutes.
How long did it take you?
Maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah, around roughly 20 minutes. Well, I'm gonna like curl my hair now because I'm feeling like I want to curl my hair. How do you like it?
I love it. I love using it. It's fun when you know how to use it.
Yeah, it's true, it's true.
I think we're blessed that we're able to use it.
True that. Thank you,
We're
God.
blessed.
Yeah, honestly, like $700 is a big investment. If I had the money, I would definitely buy it. I just love how like natural it looks and it doesn't damage your hair. I think that's like the number one thing. Because I like styling my hair a lot. And the other ones I used to use, it damaged my hair. So I just stopped kind of like doing anything with my hair. But then when this came out and I learned more about it and how it doesn't damage your hair, I wanted to use it even like, I could like use it every day. So it's exciting. But yeah, thanks guys for watching the video.
Gosh, comment down below if I did a good job. Thank you.
True that. Comment down below if she did a good job. But yeah, she gonna probably be coming downstairs in my room to jack it from me, so I don't know if this was a good idea or not.
We'll see.
True. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video and see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, my feet hurt.
My
My knees.
Scrunchy.
Oh my gosh, my knees hurt so bad.
I gotta get my scrunchy. Wow. You know hairspray, it hurts. I mean, no, it doesn't hurt. It hardens very quickly.
Huh?
It hardens the hair.
True.
Hairspray hardens the hair.
That's a wrap. Bye y'all.